Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a weatherguard window kit for putting a window on your composite partitions. Let's get started. All right, this is going to be a window kit. The part number is 96906-3-01. It's going to be for those full-size van composite partitions, what they call the CabMAX. And it's going to allow you to put essentially a glass or fiberglass, or not fiberglass, but plexiglass window in your composite partition, so you can still see what's going on in the cargo area of the van, as well as out your rear windows if you happen to have glass like we do in our Savannah behind us. We're going to be putting in a composite partition, and we want to be able to retain the use of our rear window. And so first thing in here, it looks like we have our actual piece of plexiglass, if you will. Little protective coating on there, but nice and crystal clear piece of plastic here. That here, looks like we do have all of our hardware needed. It's just a bunch of Phillips head bolts, washer, and lock nuts. That's pretty much it. And then we have our little bracket here. Looks like two of them. I'm assuming you kind of sandwich that piece of glass in between your piece of the plastic partition. And we also have an installation guide, and let's see if this is the full guide or not. Looks like it is. So the full guide, sometimes they just give you a one-pager with a QR code that you have to scan, but this is the full manual for installing this on your partition. Now, you obviously do need to have that composite partition. They only make it for the full-size vans right now. I believe they have the Transit and the ProMaster. They have the Express Savannah. I think they also have one for the Sprinter. And again, those are going to be different depending on the roof height that you have for your van. In the Savannah and Express, the partition is the same because there's only one roof height. So you're gonna need that partition first, and then you'll be able to install this kit. So pretty simple here. We're gonna do another video of installing this on our partition once we get the partition in the van. So be sure to check that out. If you're looking for this accessory or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.